If you want to make this happen and if you want it to work for you, I urge you to just follow each and every step and take action. Don't just watch the video, because that way it will not work for you if you just watch it and don't take action, and you won't make any money at all. But if you complete each step, then that will make a difference. Anyways, let's start with the first step before I show you how we'll combine this tool with Google to make loads of money without owning a website. So you do not need to have a website or whatsoever. And our first step is going to be coming over to the website called mangols.com or mangols.com. So mangols.com. Since we have never talked about this strategy before, you probably don't even know what this website is all about. Well, mangols.com is a tool that will improve your SEO, your search engine optimization. That means how high your website ranks on Google, how people to visit your website, how easy it is for them to discover it, and stuff of that nature. But don't worry, once again, you do not need a website. You don't have to have any website, and you do not need any SEO knowledge. You just need to simply follow the steps from this tutorial, and it's gonna be so easy since you literally don't need anything, that even if a newborn baby knew how to talk, she could watch this tutorial and be able to set this up for herself. Anyways, yes, Mangols is a tool that helps you rank higher on Google and beat your competition, but you don't need a website and you do not have to invest any money to earn from this. So your first step is to just come over to mangols.com, and if you want to, you can read more about it. So now just pause the video, go and complete this step, and I will be waiting for you. And I want you to do the same for every other step. Watch it, pause the video, complete the step, come back and watch the next step. That way, by the end of this video, you will have everything set up and ready to make you money. Let's go to the next step. Step number 2. Welcome back. So now that you know what Mangols does, you will need to sign up for absolutely free. So click here, come to the top of the page and click here, and that will take you over to the page that looks something like this. And in order to create an account, you will need to enter your email address, create a password, click I'm not a robot, and just go to create my Mangols account. Once you do, you will be successfully logged into your Mangols account that should look something like this. This is the dashboard. So that's it for now. Just go to mangols.com and sign up for free, create an account, and I will be waiting for you, and we will jump straight into the step number 3. I hope you have completed the previous 2 steps and you're already making some progress. If you haven't completed them yet, go back and complete the first 2 steps before you get into the third step, which is going to be going over to google.com. So here we will start using Google. The third step is to open Google, and for now just leave it open like that. We will start using it in a minute. We just need to copy something first. Now that you have Google open there, it's time for you to get back to Mangols. And here on the left hand side, you will be able to see this affiliate section. You can join their affiliate program that pays 30% recurring monthly commissions. And if you go back to their pricing plan, you can see that the most popular one is the $69 per month plan, which means you're making around $20.70 per month per person you refer. That's just from one single person. So that's pure monthly income. You can turn off your phone or your computer and just enjoy your earnings, do anything you like. And of course, there are some cheaper, but there are also even more expensive plans from which you can make even more money. But if you stick around until the end of the video, I will show you where you need to put your affiliate link, how to copy and paste something, and how to leverage Google in order to get as many referrals as possible for absolutely free. And it's pretty much going to be a fun process. You're going to see that. I promise you it's going to be a fun process. For now, just go to affiliate program and go to promo materials. Here you can see your affiliate link. So this is the main affiliate link that will make us money. When people click on it, they will be sent to this page where they can sign up to Mangols, and depending on the plan they choose, we will make monthly income. So you want to copy this affiliate link by clicking on this copy button right here. So copy that and go to bit.ly. Bit.ly is a link shortening service. So in order to make this long affiliate link short and sweet, all you need to do is paste it here, click shorten, and just copy the shortened version. Now Now it's a lot more appealing for people to click on it. So that was the step number 4. Grab your affiliate link and shorten it using Bitly. Complete these steps and let's go to the next one. Step number 5. Now that you have your shortened affiliate link, let's go back to Google and just think for a second. Who needs better SEO, better rankings, and more visitors to their website? Well, obviously every single website in the world, and there are currently hundreds of billions of them, but more importantly, who has enough money to invest into Mangools through your affiliate link so they can benefit from the tool and so you can make passive income every single month? Keep watching because you're about to be blown away. This can make you thousands of dollars and you just need to do it once. Anyways, once again, who will benefit from this tool but has enough money to invest into it? Well, obviously every business that has a website. And do you know how many of them are out there? Over 1 billion. Yep, not a million, not a 100 million, but a 1 billion. And you need just 100 of them, just 100, not even 1,000, just 100 of them to use your referral link and you will make thousands of dollars every single month. In fact, over $20,000 per year without lifting a finger, just if 100 of them sign up. That's just insane, but of course, you need to put in some work first. This is not a get rich quick scheme and the results were right, but for now, the step number 5 is just go to Google, think of some business, maybe dentist, gym, barber, restaurant, pet shop, or literally anything you can think of, and then just think of some small place, small city or town. You know, for example, I can search for Newberry, South Carolina, for example, dentist, or Newberry gym, or Greenville gym, or Kent, Ohio restaurant. Like, there are endless search results you can play around and test out which can make you the most money, which makes you the most money, and which gets you the best results. So that's I said it's gonna be a really fun process. It's like a game. You think of some small place, think of some business, try out different variations, search, and easily find your referrals in some of the next steps. So for now, as an example, I will search Newberry, Carolina dentist. So you can do anything else. You can even open up a map and randomly pick places. I'll just do this one and I'll use the business dentist. Step number 6. Once you've searched for that term on Google, skip the ads and skip the first 3 websites that show up at the top of the search results in Google, because obviously those guys know how to do SEO properly and they don't need this tool, but all the other thousands and thousands of businesses below them clearly need your help and are willing to invest into their business because they can see a massive return in that investment. So you will open some of these websites and on 99% of them you will be able to see their content information either at the bottom or at the top of the website. So just find their email address or any other contact form and let's offer them our affiliate link and help them. Now, I'm not legally allowed to give you any script, and that would even be bad because, you know, then everyone else will use the same script and it would just come up as a spam. But rather than that, I will help you craft your own, and that's a lot better and the conversion is going to be a lot higher. So with one simple message, you can make them click on your affiliate link that takes them to Mangools where they can sign up and you will make money. So you can start your own message or email with like, dear sir or madam, I saw you were running a nice business, or I saw you had a nice restaurant or a nice office or a nice coffee shop or a nice jewelry shop or whatever it is, but your website is not ranking, so you're missing out on a lot of potential customers. And then you can maybe say something like, I had the same problem recently, but I found some tool online that helped me boost my rankings and get a lot more visitors in a matter of days or something like that, and they should be intrigued. Now you can either send them your affiliate link immediately in that first message, or you can wait for their reply and then send them your affiliate link after you build some trust with them. And remember, you need to do this only once to get some signups once, and you will keep making monthly passive income for the next couple of months or couple of years. So sacrifice some time and effort now and enjoy afterwards. It will pay off. So to recap, just copy your affiliate link, create a script for yourself, copy that as well, go to Google, find some businesses, play around, and just paste the script with your affiliate link, and that's it. You will help them by providing the tool that will boost their business. They will be thankful and you will be happy because you have helped someone, but as well you made a lot of money on the back.